What's up, YouTube? So today I'm going to be showing you how to do a ringtone, custom ringtone. And the apps you're going to need are Documents, and you're going to need GarageBand. Okay? All links will be linked in the description down below for the websites. So once you got Documents and GarageBand downloaded, what you want to do is go over to YouTube and get the song that you want. And so I want Money Man, so I'm gonna look up Money Man and I'm gonna go down to a song that I like. So once you got the song you want, all you gotta do is click share and then click copy. So once you did that, what you want to do is go down and then go to Documents and copy the link in the description and then paste that to go to the MP3 converter and paste your link in the MP3 converter. So once that's done, what you want to do is click download and click done when this little thing pops up. And it's going to go down your downloads. So once that's done, what you want to do is click those three dots and then go to click share and then click save to files. Click save and then boom, it's in your photos. It's in your photos library. And what you want to do is go to GarageBand, okay, and then go and click audio recorder. Click the thing in the top left. Then what you want to do is go in settings. You can change the tempo if you like, but to add the song you click the loop and then go to files, then go to browse on my iPhone, then Money Man file right there. That's my file, my song that I want, but you can pick your song. Then all you have to do is drag it in. Alright, so you need to change the tempo to make the clip shorter. So what you want to do is go down to like 40 something, 40. I think that's the max. And you can clip the song how long you want it. And yeah. So once you got it how you want it, what you want to do is click the thing on the top left, like a little down arrow. Click my songs and click OK. It's going to save and it's going to be my song. Hold it and click share. Then you can put it as a ringtone, share as ringtone, and you can pick if you want ringtone or a notification. I hope you guys like my tutorial and like this video and subscribe. Thanks, and put on post notifications for more. Peace.